Hey guys, Kim Wolf here with affiliatemarketinginformant.com. Hope you are doing well today. I just want to take a quick minute out of your day and let you know about an opportunity you have. So, my coach is actually opening up a really cool kind of behind the scenes uh, training of one of his affiliate promotions that he did. So, let me ask you a question. Would you be happy with an affiliate promotion campaign that made $3,000? I think it was run for like 48 hours, pretty minimal work, $3,000 was the result. Would you be interested in that? If you answer yes, this video is for you. You have an opportunity to actually get behind the scenes and see what that really looks like. So, a successful campaign, but also like what are the components? How did he do that? How did he actually make that money? What did he specifically do? What are the tools and sort of the components of the campaign that he needed? So if that sounds complicated, it actually really isn't, but that is what affiliate marketing is today. That's what online marketing is today, where you have a bunch of components and you connect them together to put people through a specific flow to get them to essentially buy something if it makes sense for them, right? So I'm being really straight up for you. Like if that doesn't interest you, then stop this video, stop watching. That's totally cool. I get it. Look out for my emails and I'll try to send you additional, helpful stuff. And if there's something you want that I'm not sending you, respond to the email and I will gladly try to make you some content. But if you are interested in this, let me show you exactly what I mean here. So first off, I'm going to take you into sort of the sales page. So what's happening is it's called a D&G drop-in session. And what that means is that you actually get to drop into the session. So if you don't know, D&G stands for the Digital Nomad Group. It is a full-time coaching group that Philip Barman offers, and I'm actually part of that group. So I get access to these as part of my coaching package. I also get one-on-one with Philip. I can ask him questions anytime, and I get a lot of access to training, but I also get training like this, which is inside look of his campaign, and where he just basically dissects it for it, dissects it for us, if I can get that out, and just shows us step by step. Here's how I did it, and this is the result, and this is how you can replicate it. But he's actually extending this to you, to basically anybody that we want to extend the invitation to. You can actually come be a fly on the wall. Not only are we going to be a fly on the wall, but you're actually going to get an inside look behind the scenes of this $3,000 campaign. So basically, I think he ran it for like 48 hours. He made about 3K. And so he's going to show you step by step. Now, I realize that there's a lot of training today, and you're like thinking, what's so unique about that? You have to understand that Philip is very thorough. Like he doesn't leave anything out. And so let me show you what I mean. So if you want to take part in this particular session, then sign up. There is a cost to it. You can actually sign up for it. It's happening this Friday, so I'll be on there. We can chat, whatever. But it's happening this Friday. But after, just say that you can't make it. Don't worry, because he actually puts it up online. So there is a replay, but there's a whole like training module around this. So it's not just going to be the training that he's going to take you through. It's actually going to be the replay, but all of the materials that he's going to package around this. So here's what I want you to see. I want you to see the previous D&G sessions, because this is the third one. So he did one and he did two. So he originally, the first one was an additional $3,000 a promotion campaign. And so if you actually go into it, what you're going to see is that he had a 40% conversion rate. He's going to show you exactly what he promoted, and he's going to show you the funnel he used. But see, you attend the training. He's going to go through all of this, and then after the fact, you come to this as a resource where you can learn how to actually get the funnel that he used. He's going to go through all of this, so you're going to completely understand how this is set up, and any additional resources that are going to help you. So if you look at this, here's a tutorial on importing the templates that he has. So he's going to give you the templates. He gives you this sort of resource pack. This is everything that basically it's a zip file of all of the components he shows you in that. So not only do you learn, but then you get all of basically sort of the done for you stuff that he has, and then you get to take it and run with it and apply it for yourself and your business or wherever you are. So if that interests you, then I highly encourage you to take advantage of this particular session. They're always really good. You know, here's the second one, so I'll give you an inside look at this. This is where he basically did a promotion, I think, with YouTube traffic as well. He sort of goes into like different things of like how to plan a better video, how to make a great call to action. Really, really just useful and helpful stuff. So not just, you know, you just go to YouTube and create a video. No, like he's like, here's my campaign. This is exactly what I did. These are the emails that I sent out. These are the templates I used. This is the flow I put them through. This is why it worked. This is why it didn't. I either offered a bonus or I didn't. So in this particular promotion that he's running this Friday, he did not offer a bonus and he was still able to clear $3,000. So if that doesn't interest you, then that's fine. This is not for you. If it interests you, then definitely hop on board, and just know that you'll have access. So you wouldn't have access to all of these additional replays unless you upgrade to a lifetime access, and then you get all the replays. But if you do buy this Friday particular session, you will at least get the replay for the one you purchased for, if that's all you decide to buy, which is totally cool. I'm just letting you know that that's an option. If you want to see all of them, then there is basically an upgrade for you offer that you can buy a lifetime package, and that just gives you access to all of them. So if that interests you, great, hop on board. If not, that's cool, totally cool. If you have any questions, just reply to this email and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks. See ya.